Alright, what is going on? Welcome to the channel. Alright, quick FSD update for you guys here today. This is going to be hopefully the last video that I shoot on version 12.5.4. So we finally are getting updates on 12.6, which is like a mini 13, is now officially going out to Hardware 3 cars. So woohoo! So at the time of shooting this, I don't have it yet, but I wanted to go ahead and shoot a video and get that out there so that once I do have it, I have something to compare to and try to give you guys some updates as we go along. You know, I am starting year 4 on this car, and I had a 5-year lease, so that gives me you know, about a year and some change of some payments left on this Model 3, and it's paid off, and I really want to see it through before I upgrade the car. And I know that now we've got the new Model Y that just officially launched, and you know, the pictures are real, the light bar is real, and all the good stuff that it comes with. And yeah, it's really cool, but at the same time, like I said, I'm trying to really see this through. So anyone that's, you know, stuck with me with this channel, whoo, take a look at that. Very close call with the truck there. And yeah, you know, I just want to let you know that we're going to be testing this out as we go. Hopefully we get version 13 sometime soon. But when it comes to the DMV area, just know we are out here testing all the capabilities of FSD, and no takeovers so far in this video, but it has been pretty straight path. But as you can see, there's snow on the ground, and we got hit with a little dump of snow. Got about a foot here in the DMV area. It was pretty nice. Everyone got off work for a couple days. My office was shut down fully for one day and then half the second. I know some of these kids got off like the whole week of school, which is a little extra, but once you get out here in some of these mountainous areas, phantom braking, you can see why, you know, we kind of need to shut down. Some of these roads, you know, need to be cleared. Some of the inside roads still haven't been cleared, and I saw people out there today doing it themselves. So, you know, shout out to VDOT and everyone that, you know, I know these snowplow trucks got paid a lot. I did not see a Cybertruck with a snowplow on it yet, but I'm sure that's coming up here very shortly and soon. But yeah, at the end of the day, you know, it was nice to get some snow, but now it's time to plow it out of here and make our way for the spring season. So, you know, it's nice that it was cold and all. We got snow this year, but you know, who doesn't like the summertime and the springtime and beach weather? And you're not gonna go to, I heard Bethany Beach in Ocean City got hit really hard too. So shout out to the people out there. I can't imagine what it's like living out there with the snow. But over here, we're used to it. Loudoun County and whatnot, up in here, all the way western up to Frederick, we know what to do. Yeah, so hopefully everyone at this point has tested out FSD, and if you haven't, be sure to just set a demo drive right in your app. And if you haven't downloaded the Tesla app yet, just go ahead and download it. It's pretty cool. You have access to the store, and you can actually play around and see what it's like to have a car right on the app. So yeah, it's the Poca demo drive, test FSD. If you have a Tesla, just go ahead and subscribe for 1 month and see what it's like on your daily drives. And I'm pretty sure they give it to you now for the first month of ownership. I know some people are saying that they just bought a Tesla around New Year's and they got free FSD up until like May. Not May, I'm sorry, March. So maybe they're giving away 90 days right now. I don't know. But right now is a great time to get a Tesla. Prices are low. EV credit is there. If you don't already have one, it's pretty much you know, it's not only a life-changing experience, it's like a lifestyle is the best way to put it, because once you get used to it, then you notice, you know, you can always go back. It's not like gas cars are not gonna like exist anymore. Like old classics will always remain, you know. Like when it comes to the DMV, there's one car that really stands out to me. It's the Lincoln Town Car, you know, because I lived around the airport. I used to see these pour out like crazy. So that car will always remain a classic in my head no matter what. But now if you go out there, you see Model 3s and Model Ys, and you know, know, it's become a new classic, which is pretty amazing because the design has been out there for so long. But the way Tesla does it is they put their design out and they let it resonate with people for some time before changing it. Like the Model 3, you know, debuted in like 2016 to like the people, the way it looks. And then from there, you know, we got the Model Y, which is pretty much the same design, but then we got the Cybertruck, of course, which really changed the whole platform, coming with the Cyber Cab, with the whole new light bar in the front. And now look, the new Model 3 light bar. So why didn't they give the light bar to the the new Model Y light bar? It's hard to keep these all on track, but eventually they'll just get caught up. You know, maybe they're trying to keep it looking like the Model S still without giving everyone just that light bar look, but who knows. Anyways, it's pretty cool to see. Let me know what you guys think about the new Model Y release. Drop a comment below. Is that something that you were waiting for? Are you about to get it now? Or do you like the old design better? Do you think that, here we go with the roundabout, by the way, do you think that the old design is going to go on super sale now? That's the real question. So yeah, shout out to anyone who's thinking about buying a new Model Y, because who knows, it could just automatically go on sale. Even the 2024 Hardware 4 models, like those are beast machines, you know. Like I think Tesla will sell them side by side for a while. I think it will cost more for the new one, but as time goes on, technology prices go down, so just patience is the best way to do it. You don't want to buy at peak prices. Yeah, so just hang tight. Who knows, when it comes to the Tesla, they'll all eventually, I don't think they'll eventually all get caught up on the same branch, because they want people to upgrade down the line, but they're at least gonna get like everyone on like some similar version where, you know, the capabilities remain the same. Like, you know, you can get into any Tesla and it can drive you to pretty much any destination by itself. And that's something where you really have to realize, like when it comes to robotaxi, like how much they're already in there, because there's so many Hardware 3 cars out there. So if they can truly prove it with my car, and I'm gonna show you that here live on my channel. So if you subscribe to me, you know, you're gonna get all these robotaxi videos. So make sure you hit that like button too if you enjoyed this video, and definitely a really fun one to shoot. Hopefully you enjoyed, but like I said, we've got a lot to still see, and we've got a lot coming up. Look at that, I have to take over right here at the end. It didn't actually get into the left lane as I needed it to. So anyways, I want to thank everyone for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Hit that like button if you did, and subscribe for more. Definitely excited for the new updates and the future that Tesla will deliver, and I'm gonna stitch it up in some nice videos and bring it to you as soon as possible. Thanks again for watching, and have a great rest of your day.